Let's go into your stock picks, gents. JP, what is your stock pick for today?
So we just spoke about the investment holding company trading at a 30% discount to NAV. My stock pick is similar. It's the investment holding company HCI, Oscar Consolidated Investments. It came out with results last week, as well as a bunch of its underlying companies in which it has material stakes. Most of them are listed, the likes of Sorgo Gaming, Southern Sun Hotels, you have Frontier Transport, you have Deneb and eMedia, a few of the smaller players. And if you put all the listed assets together and you add in some unlisted assets, and especially Impact Oil and Gas, which is the big unlisted asset, then I think you get a sum of the parts of 250 Rand a share, trading at 175, so that's a 30% discount. But the key for me here is, what will that net asset value per share do for the next few years? And I do believe it'll grow at an above average rate, driven by Impact Oil and Gas as they start developing those gas fields, the Venus gas field principally in Namibia. We might get a bit of a bonus with some of the gas fields on the southern coast of South Africa also being developed in the next few years. And then the other assets I like as well. I mean, Sorgo Gaming, it's throwing off a lot of cash. Southern Sun with its Western Cape hotel footprint is well positioned, occupancy is rising. So if you can buy all those nice assets at a 30% discount and you think it's going to grow at a nice rate from one year to the next, why not? So that's my stock pick tonight, HCI.
All right. Alex, what are you buying?
So my stock pick tonight is Famous Brands. I think obviously the consumers are under pressure, the business not doing well, and you see it in the later set of results. I mean, the business didn't really perform at expectations. But I'll take a bit of a medium-term view, yeah. I think patience is required for Famous Brands, but I still believe they can grow their revenue in real terms, and they most likely will be some margin expansion as well. I mean, the margins in all the divisions, franchise, manufacturing, logistics, is below optimal margins. And at the same time, they're looking to reduce finance costs as well. So I think if you take a medium-term view, it's quite likely if they can grow their revenue at low double digits, call it high single digits, they can easily grow earnings low double digits, compounded over the medium term, in my view. And that makes it quite interesting at these levels. But you need economic activity to pick up. And perhaps if there's a positive election outcome and people are looking for SA Inc. stocks, Famous Brands could be a beneficiary of that. And they also need a lot of buying because liquidity is quite poor in the stock. So one or two asset managers buys into Famous Brands, it could move the needle quite a lot. So yes, I think it's time to look at that one at this stage.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. Happy voting for tomorrow. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Alex Duys from Umthombo Wealth and Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management. Up next, The Close. Stay with us.